Are you thinking about starting a YouTube channel? Well, let me tell you, my friend, if you don't have a profitable niche in mind, you're just wasting your time. To become a successful creator, you need to treat your channel like a business, not just a hobby. And here we are in 2024, where I know many of you are itching to start your own channel but have no clue about profitable niches. Well, fear not, because you've come to the right place. So why is selecting a profitable niche so important? It all comes down to the money, my friends. Contrary to popular belief, YouTube doesn't pay all creators the same amount of revenue. It varies depending on your category. Let me break it down for you. Say you get 1 million views on a comedy and funny video, you'll make around $500. But if you get 1 million views on a tech-related video, you'll rake in a whopping $3,600. Quite the difference, right? If you start a channel without knowing this crucial information, you'll be wasting your time and money. But don't worry, in this video, I'll explain how revenue differs from niche to niche, and I'll even give you 5 unique and high CPM channel ideas. Trust me, the last idea will blow your mind. But before we dive into that, let's talk about CPM and RPM. CPM stands for cost per 1,000 impressions. It's the amount advertisers are willing to pay YouTube for 1,000 views. But here's the catch. CPM isn't the exact amount you'll earn as a content creator. YouTube pays creators 55% of the ad CPM. Now, let's move on to RPM, which stands for revenue per mil. This represents how much money you've earned per 1,000 video views. Why am I telling you all this? Because CPM depends on your audience's location and your niche. So when you're starting out, it's crucial to select a profitable niche that can reach international audiences. Now, let's get into those channel ideas. Coming in at number 5, we have the cooking-related niche. Yes, I know there are already tons of channels in this niche, but that doesn't mean you can't stand out. People love cooking, and you can become one of the best channels in this niche if you do something unique. And here's the best part. You don't even have to speak a single word. This is an international-friendly niche with a CPM of $2.50. Let me show you some examples of successful cooking channels that have nailed it. Next up, we have the fashion niche at number 4. Now, you might be thinking, but I'm not a model. Well, guess what? You don't need to be. All you need is some fashion sense and confidence. This niche has a CPM of $4. And once you gain a substantial following, you can earn big bucks through brand deals. So let's take a look at some example channels that have found success. Moving on to number 3, we have the motivational niche. I know it's a saturated market, but there are plenty of untapped sub-niches within this category. And the best part, you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. With a CPM of around $4, this niche has great potential. Let's check out some example channels that have found their unique angle. Now let's talk about the educational niche, coming in at number 2. This is one of the highest CPM niches, with a staggering $9.80. The possibilities are endless in this niche. You can teach or share your knowledge about any category you're passionate about. And here's a pro tip. You can even create faceless channels in this niche. So let's take a look at some example channels that are killing it in the educational niche. Finally, we've reached the number 1 spot, the how to make money niche. This is where the big bucks are, my friends, with a jaw-dropping CPM of $13.20. But hold your horses, this niche is not for the faint of heart. You need to do your research and study up on businesses and online entrepreneurship before diving in. But trust me, if you're already in this field, you're in luck. You can start a channel without even showing your face. Let's take a look at some example channels that have mastered the art of making money. And there you have it, my friends. 5 profitable niches to consider for your YouTube channel. Remember, be unique and provide valuable content to your audience. If you've learned something useful from this video, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out on ideas and tutorials just like this one. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative.